Okay, there's the Marauder. Still looking pretty rough. Well, I should say dusty. Got quite a bit more done. Working over here. In this spot. Getting closer. Got this piece and this piece. Real close. Getting that to fit. It's real close here. Just a little. Oh, shaking like a leaf. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, a little bit more work to do here, and the darn thing doesn't line up either. See, the fender sticks out a little more on the donor piece here. This thing was in an accident, so I think that's why this all rotted out in the first place. And then this is the inside piece, and I gotta cut all this out. I got a piece for that too around here somewhere. It's pretty much ready. But I'm gonna bolt that piece on. This one. And tack it on, and then I'll cut that off. This outside piece is the most important. It's kind of a donor off of another car, and then this darn all this here was rotted out, so I had to frickin' make my own out of 20 gauge steel. That was an adventure. About a week long so far. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm getting quite a bit of it done. Over here, got some more done there, replaced. So, there's my fancy contour gauge. That thing works pretty cool. Looks like I bent a few already. Did. A little welder. And I did this piece over here too. This was kind of ugly. Kind of got some curves to it. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Just update.